List of official languages of Indian states and union territories. India has a total of 121 languages and 270 mother tongues. India has two official languages, Hindi and English, and 22 scheduled languages. India has no national language. Number 1 Andhra Pradesh, official language, Telugu, second official language is English. Number 2 Arunachal Pradesh, official language, English, second official language is Nishi, Adi, Monpa. Number 3 Assam, official language, Assamese, second official language is Bengali, Bodo. Number 4 Bihar, official language, Hindi, second official language is Urdu. Number 4 Chhattisgarh, official language, Hindi, second official language is Chhattisgarhi. Number 5 Goa, official language, Konkani, English, second official language is Marathi. Number 7 Gujarat, official language, Gujarati, second official language is Hindi. Number 8 Haryana, official language is Hindi, second official language is English, Punjabi. Number 9 Himachal Pradesh, official language, Hindi, second official language is Sanskrit. Number 10 Jharkhand, official language, Hindi, second official language is Angika, Bengali, Bhojpuri, Ho, Kharia, Khortha, Kurmali, Kurukh, Maghi, Muthili, Mundari, Nagpuri, Orhia, Santali and Urdu. Number 11 Karnataka, official language, Kannada, second official language, English. Number 12 Kerala, official language, Malayalam, second official language, English. Number 13 Madhya Pradesh, official language, Hindi, second official language, Marathi. Number 14 Maharashtra, official language, Marathi, second official language is Hindi. Number 15 Manipur, official language, Manipuri, second official language is English. Number 16 Meghalaya, official language, English, second official language is Khasi and Garo. Number 17 Mizoram, official language, Mizo, second official language is English, Hindi. Number 18 Nagaland, official language, English, second official language is Nagmise. Number 19 Odisha, official language, Odia, second official language is Hindi, Urdu, Bengali and Telugu. Number 20 Punjab, official language, Punjabi, second official language is Hindi. Number 21 Rajasthan, official language, Hindi, second official language is English. Number 22 Sikkim, official language, English, Nepali, Sikkim में से लेपचा, second official language is Gurung, Limbu, Magar, Mukhia, Newari, Rai, Sherpa and Tamang. Number 23 Tamil Nadu, official language, Tamil, second official language is English. Number 24 Telangana, official language, Telugu, second official language is Urdu. Number 25 Tripura, official language, Bengali, Kokborok, second official language is English. Number 26 Uttar Pradesh, official language, Hindi, second official language is Urdu. Number 27 Uttarakhand, official language, Hindi, second official language is Sanskrit. Number 28 West Bengal, official language, Bengali, English, second official language is Nepali, Urdu, Hindi, Orhia, Santali, Panajbi, Kamtapuri, Rajwanshi, Kurmali, Kurukh and Telugu.
List of official languages by Union Territories. There are 8 Union Territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Hindi, English, Chandigarh, Hindi, Punjabi, English, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Gujarati, Hindi, English, Lakshadweep, Malayalam, English, Delhi, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Hindi, Punjabi,